why we don't stand up. Yeah, I don't fire until you look like statues. On your mark.
Top 5 teams automatically moving forward on the next week. And our young lady from Mary Star of the Sea, Babbitt, out very well.
Make that drive.
Come on, Claire!
Hey, they'll leave early at 12 o'clock dismissal.
Go, Claire! Go, Claire!
No, start at sometimes those times.
I know, exactly, yeah.
Good job.
Just relax, Claire. Take it easy. Up the hill fast.
They won't have school that day.
Good job. And then we get a couch back.
I know, yeah.
Good work, Caitlin.
I'm not
Good
even
work.
listening to him.
No,
We're going to do a Zoom. I'll mute him every time if we need to.
Oh, I think we'll be back to
Eyes
regular
up,
meetings next year.
Drive up this hill. Eyes up
Back
on
to
the
regular
right.
meetings next year.
No.
Move up, move
Why do I
up.
need to have you guys drive when there's Zoom?
Yeah, true, yeah.
What am I running?
Cool pizza.
Good job.
Good
Come on.
work, Amelia.
You got a girl on your back, a few
Eyes
seconds
up.
behind. You got to catch
Eyes up.
green.
Drive up this hill. Nice first mile.
Nice job. Keep pushing. Surge on the downhill.
Nice job, Madison. Good work. Right there, Madison. Eyes up. Nice job. Drive up this hill.
Exactly, no. And then you can mute people who don't want to hear it.
You know what, though?
Nice job, Ronald. Nice job, Morgan. Good work, good work. Drive up this hill. Morgan, right up there with Lana. Good job, good job.
Yeah.
Let's go, Ed.
Come on, Amanda.
Keep it up, Ed. Stay with that pack. Catch it to that pack. You got it, Ed.
You better not move these things again. Do you remember when you almost knocked over one of these? I don't remember doing that. That was
Good job, Amanda. Amanda, 7:35. Hey, Amanda, get around these girls right now. Okay, hey.
Halfway home. Let's go.
Halfway there, Amanda. Let's go, Amanda. Hey, Amanda, let's go up this hill. Let's go.
Drive the arms, Alessia. Arms.
Go.
There you go. Push up this hill.
There we go. Let's finish. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through.
Delgado of Pericles currently in third. It's Caitlin Ray of Reina in fourth, giving chase, and now trying to break down that lead just a little bit there with less than 300 meters to go. Meanwhile, Shane of Xavier Prep, Lorena with 2 in the top 5.
Let's finish all the way through. There we go. Let's finish. All the way through.
And Zambrano of St. Paul trying to move on as an individual here. You got to be the top 8 in the heat. And if your team does not qualify. Viewpoint, meanwhile, controlling the team action here. 3 in the top 12. Your favorites are going to move on rather easily here, being Lorena, Xavier Prep, and of course Viewpoint. Viewpoint coming in ranked number 2 in Division 5.
There we go. Come on. Finish. Finish all the way through. There you go. There we go. Let's finish through. Let's finish through. There we go. Great job, ladies. Great job, ladies. What a race, all right?
And then there was one, race number 19, our final gun for the day here. This will be our 3rd heat, Division 5 girls. They're on the starting line. Archer, school of the girls. Cate, ranked number 4 in CIF right now for Division 5, and your number 2 seed here. Geffen Academy. Grove, Hawthorne Math and Science Academy. Linfield Christian, they'll be your top seed here in this race, currently ranked number 3 in Division 5. Ontario Christian, Sage Hill, ranked number 9 in Division 5, your 3rd seed here. Your San Joaquin League runner-up to St. Margarets, who already qualified. Sierra Canyon High School, ranked number 10 in Division 5, your 4th seed. Valley Christian and the Cerritos, Vasquez, Webb, and a group of about 15 individuals all qualifying here as well. Again, top 5 schools automatically qualified.
There we go. Go ahead and get some water, ladies. Great job. Great job. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Finish through, finish through, finish through, finish through, finish through. There we go, there we go. Keep working, keep working. Great job, great job. There we go, let's finish, ladies. Let's finish, ladies, all the way through. There we go, finish, all the way through. Get to that line, get to that line, get to that line, get to that line. There we go.
I don't know how we can get over or if I'm yeah, I see you're right. Pretty super big. It's going to be a good day.
Nice and easy, one step at a time. Just going to walk to the water. Just follow me, just follow me. Follow me.
And we're just about to begin our final race of the Friday schedule. I'd like to take just a minute to thank all the folks involved, all the folks with the CIF, our meet director, Richie, and everybody involved at Mount Sac to help put all this together. We'll be back here tomorrow, and then we hope you'll join us next Saturday for the CIF-Southern Section Cross Country Championship, really one of the best cross country meets in the country. And finally, I'd like to thank our starters, Gary Mack, Jeff Duerson, and Brad Kerr. If this will be their 100th race, if we take the 81 from the Mount Sac Invitational and the 19 today, 100 perfect starts, 100 races. So great job, gentlemen, and thank you very much.
Go ahead and get some water. Great race, ladies. There we go, let's finish all the way through, ladies. There we go, let's finish all the way through. Let's finish all the way through. There we go, all the way through. There we go, there we go, there we go. Keep pushing. Go ahead and get some water, ladies. Great job. Great job, ladies. Keep walking. Let's go ahead and get some water, ladies. Y'all do your best to keep moving, ladies. Do your best to keep moving. All right, over here, let's get some water, ladies. There we go.
lady from Sierra Canyon out very well here over this first 300 meters here. This final race here of Division 5 girls. Again, 3 heats, 16 teams all together qualifying the next weekend. So they're out well here, 73 seconds here for the first quarter mile. Top seeds here, Linfield Christian, Cate, Sage Hill, and Sierra Canyon. Ontario Christian also expected to be right in that mix. Again, top 5 squads automatically moving on. So 2:37 for the half mile. Meanwhile, going back to Heat 2, Division 5 girls. Viewpoint, they're going to be your winners there in that Heat 2. Reina right behind them. Xavier Prep, those 3 quads easily moving on. Pasadena Poly in 4th. And Sacred Heart of Jesus in 5th. Those are going to be your top 5 squads. As expected, they had to move on.